All right, welcome back. We are at Microsoft Build 2019, and I'm live here on the show floor. And I thought we'd just go walk around and see who we could find, so let's go. So one of the cool things about Build is that you're able to go to a ton of booths. You're able to talk to a lot of people, and I thought, hey, why not try to run into somebody, maybe, I don't know. Oh, look! John Galloway, how are you?
How's it going, Seth?
Oh, and you're mic'd up?
Yeah, I wore my mic today.
How did that even work? And you're mic'd up to our audio guy, too?
Yeah, I just, it seemed like a best practice.
So lucky.
Yeah,
so tell me a little bit about who you are, my friend.
Well, I mean...
that dude just walked right in front of our shot. That's okay. Don't feel bad. Everyone, look, this guy right here walked in our shot. It's okay.
Yeah.
You okay? Okay, good. You keep going. We got you, boo.
And so that ends the story. That takes you up through today of who I am.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
So he is the guy walking in front of us.
Right.
John, tell us what you do, my friend.
So lately, I've been working for 2 years on the .NET Foundation.
Mm-hmm.
So .NET Foundation is kind of this behind-the-scenes thing that supports open source .NET.
Okay.
So there's dozens, like 70+ projects on .NET Foundation. There's things like Core CLR, Core FX, ASP.NET, but then there's also a lot of community projects, things that you use all the time, like JSON.NET, XUnit, NUnit, AutoMapper, Identity Server, just on and on and on, right? So these are all projects that we care about.
I see. So let's back up, because I feel like I don't know exactly what the .NET, like if I have a really good .NET project, what will the .NET Foundation do that helps?
Great question. Yeah. So there's some beginning things of just like, let's make sure that we've got do you have a license? Do you also have things set up so if you get, I don't like to say hit by a bus, if you get abducted by aliens.
Okay, which is more likely.
More likely, right? Or win the lottery.
Oh, yeah. Right? And you want to live in Hawaii.
Right. So what happens to your project? Yeah. Right. So we want to make sure that we've got things set up for access to GitHub, access to secrets for logins, all that stuff. That your project and just policies and all those things set up so that your project continues on. Right?
I see.
So there's all this kind of stuff like the basics of making sure the projects are long lasting, and then there's a lot of other things that are take it further. You've got projects where you have 1 or 2 people that are working on weekends to keep the thing running. Do you want them to be doing administrivia, or do you want them to be fixing bugs and stuff? So things like certificates and code signing and just CLAs, like all the infrastructure stuff, Azure DevOps.
So is the .NET Foundation helping build that? Are they providing resources?
Yes.
I'm looking at all this stuff and I'm thinking, yeah, holy cow, if I have a really popular open source project and I want to take a vacation, are you staffing people answering issues? Well,
so that's a great question. Up till now, it's been basically, there's one executive director, and then there's a board of directors.
Right. They were just elected, right?
Well, yeah, so up till now we had 3 directors and 2 were Microsoft employees and 1 was appointed by Microsoft. So it was mostly Microsoft run.
Right.
What we did now is we had an open election. So we had people could join as members. We've got just about 500 members now, and then members could run in the election.
I see.
We had 6 open seats. 1 was appointed by Microsoft. The other 6 are community elected, which is crazy. It's way majority run by community. And we were like, what if nobody shows up? We've got 6 seats.
Yeah.
We had 45 people running for these 6 seats, which is crazy.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So yeah, we've got a new board, and it's all these who's who of .NET open source. So John Skeet, Phil Hack, Oren. We've got Iris Klassen, Sarah Chips. We've got probably forgetting 1 or 2, and they'll hate me for it. Ben Adams. Yeah. So it's really cool. We've met several times already, and we're like, what are some things we want to fix and make better? So, and the cool thing is, now it's not just John. It's I've got a club, right?
But they're not answering issues on AutoMapper on behalf of Jimmy Bogart.
So that's an important thing. We support projects. The projects keep running themselves.
Okay.
So basically, we're not going and taking over projects.
I see.
We're supporting Jimmy Bogart behind the scenes. So
he needs a lot of support.
So if Jimmy needs a CLA setup, or he needs a signing certificate, or he needs Azure instance stuff, or build servers, or whatever, he sends an email and says, hey dudes, can you help me out?
So it's like the resourcing of what you need. But if you're starting to do some open source and you need some governance, you can help direct. Maybe here's some good ideas that you could use, depending more like an advisor, and some maybe financial support with Azure resources.
Yep. And Azure, but then, we talked about a lot of other things, and we have other stuff already, stuff like build servers and, things. So it's, and in a way, I feel like we're just getting started, right?
Okay.
So we're doing some things to support projects. We'd like a lot more projects to come on. We'd like to do a lot more for them, and we'd like to do a lot more than just support projects.
I see.
So things like speaker tours and, student internships and all kind, and then getting companies involved in .NET open source. So being this kind of like behind the scenes, like making open source awesome on .NET. So
that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of support, a lot of resourcing. We have about 3 more minutes.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about like a project success story and how they've been supported, because we've been talking a lot about it in the abstract, but you already have projects in there that you're helping.
Now they're going to go to us.
From DNN.
Right,
it's that 15 minutes.
All right.
I just heard myself.
Hey, everybody. Thank you. Welcome back to...
Well, that was abrupt. We're ready. We're pros. Are we on?
Welcome back to Build Live. I'm Tim Hewer. I'm here joined with some colleagues of mine. Lindsay QBasic. No, that's just kidding. That's how you say her name, but she's not an expert in QBasic. Maybe. I don't know. Are you?
No, sadly.
Okay. We'll ask you. Bring your QBasic questions to us.
Next
and
time.
Joe Stegman, both from the Windows UI platform team and accessibility team.
That's correct.
In Windows.
Yeah.
So welcome. Thanks for joining us this afternoon.
Thanks for having us.
And both of you guys had a presentation this morning, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we did the same presentation.
Same presentation. I think it's already live, so if you haven't seen it, feel free to go out on the YouTube channel and look up, what was it, Windows UI Roadmap.
It's called State of the Union Windows Presentation Platform.
That sounds way better.
And it's the only State of the Union talk at Build today. If you watch the talk, you'll get the backstory on that.
So what are the 3 things that we should take away from that talk?
Well, I think the first is that we're doing a lot of work to decouple the presentation platform from the core operating system, which gives you the opportunity to basically have access to all of the new UI features we're building on down-level versions of Windows.
We're also doing a high-performance React Native version for Windows. So if you want to share assets, if you are a web developer and you want to share assets between your native application, your mobile application, even your website, you can do that now with React Native for Windows.
And third, we're continuing to evolve the XAML Island story so that Win32 apps have access to all the same great new features that we're building in the Windows 10 stack.
Awesome. So little known fact, I used to work for Joe. And
he was my favorite employee, other than Carolina, who's in the audience right now.
Now you're correct.
And Paul Gus, who might be in the audience right now. They're all 3 tied for the favorite employee.
So we had, when last we talked, we would always draw this diagram. I'm interested in this decoupling story because we had this, when we worked on Windows 10 and Windows 8, we talked about having the XAML layer on top of the composition layer, which was on top of DirectX and stuff. So where in that kind of layering are we decoupling from the OS? Help me understand that a little bit more.
So the layering is, as you describe, it's sort of DirectX. And then after that, we have the visual composition layer and XAML on top of that. We're taking DirectX stays in the platform, but effectively the composition layer, the visual layer, if you will, and our animation layer, and some of our input layer, and everything above that, including the whole XAML stack and the XAML framework, we're decoupling all of that and then making it available on in-market or previous versions of Windows 10. So effectively, you just need a baseline RS2 UWP application, for example, or baseline application running on RS2, and then you can now use the stack on that in any machine, Windows 10 greater than that.
So essentially, we're taking the story of and making it more capable down level.
That's correct.
To that certain baseline that you mentioned, which is the RS2 build.
And
awesome.
it works in both UWP and with XAML Islands, it works on a Win32 app. So if you have an existing Win32 code base that runs on Windows 10, RS2 and above, which is what, 17?
RS2 was
1709,
1709, I think.
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Yep. Anything there or above, you'll be able to use our whole UI presentation stack in your application, whether it's Win32 or UWP.
And Lindsay and I were talking about this just a little bit before, is like, so when we hear We also heard yesterday during some of the keynotes, as well as some sessions today, about the .NET Core 3 story and enabling more WPF and Windows Forms developers to move forward with that story as well. And we were talking, how do I get like fluent design as a part of that story? And this is the XAML Islands aspect, right?
Right. This is where you're able to use any of the controls that we're building in WinUI or in the Inbox platform today in your WPF and Windows Forms application with XAML Islands already. But as we talk about in our talk in more detail, with the .NET Core 3.0 update and Visual Studio 2019, this whole workflow gets a lot better. You're also able to use managed controls that are written in managed code, and it's just a lot easier to get started and bring UI updates to your existing apps.
Awesome.
And then one of the other things is part of the term we call for lifting everything up. We have something today that we call WinUI, which is our controls decoupled from the platform, so we ship them outside of Windows. This whole thing that we decouple, we call WinUI 3.0, but as part of WinUI 3.0, we're doing all the visual layer, which is our composition animation layer. We've done a bunch of new work at that layer of the platform, a bunch of new 3D improvements, and by lifting that up and now making it available on in-market versions, people will be able to use XAML Islands, which will also be lifted up, and they'll be able to take their Win32 applications and update them not just with UI, but with some of the improvements we've made at the 3D visual composition layer.
Yeah.
And one of those is my favorite is like being able to use Lottie, right? So Lottie is this huge animation framework, library, I guess, depending on how you look at it, but resource, let's call it a resource, and being able to use a ton of Lottie-style animations within that through these layering and these decouplings, right?
Yeah, so in our talk, we actually show a demo of this. Lottie, for anyone who hasn't heard of it, is basically a cross-platform tooling infrastructure that lets you use this whole library of Lottie files that's public and maintained by Airbnb. And it gives you all of these cute vector graphic animations. And you're able to use this tooling workflow to export native code on iOS, Android, web, and now Windows. What we're seeing is that on Windows, you could only do this on the most recent versions of Windows, which was problematic. And so with the updates we're making to WinUI 3.0, you'll get those same capabilities on all versions of Windows. So all kinds of cool improvements where that's one good example because it's one of the more recent things we've added to the visual layer. But the whole effects pipeline, all of the additions we've made to animations like natural motion and physics, all the 3D improvements that Joe was just talking about with Windows 3D and bringing better 3D capabilities to the Windows 10 stack, all of that will be available as it ships later this year.
Awesome.
Yeah, so it's great. It's all available to in-market versions of Windows, and it's available to both Win32 and UWP applications. So that's what we're most excited about, and that was really our big talking point, I'd say, this morning in our talk.
That's great. I think one of the themes that we've seen at Microsoft over the past couple of years, and certainly in the .NET ecosystem, certainly, but along with our tooling stories and everything, is this kind of theme of open source as well. What can you tell me, Joe, about like how has that transitioned from a WinUI standpoint? Like how has WinUI embraced that philosophy at Microsoft? What are you guys doing about that? How can the community engage more with the Windows Dev platform with regard to open source?
So we have currently our controls library WinUI is all open source, and it's not just open source from the standpoint of our sources out there, and we'll take pull requests. Everything we do, our spec process, how we decide what we're going to do next, we're doing all of that in the open for our controls now. So with WinUI 3.0, where we're taking the whole composition animation system, all of that up and into WinUI, our goal is to take all of that and not just make it open source so that the community can participate, but also our spec process, how we evaluate features, our doc writing process, all of that, everything we do is all in the open. It's really 100% open development, and we're pretty excited about that. And right now, for WinUI that's out there, the controls, the community can already go there and engage. A lot of people already do, give us feedback, add new requests for feature requests, give us feedback on existing feature requests, make pull requests on our source, on our documents, you name it. It's already open.
What is that like? So Joe, you've been around the UI frameworks, I think, for the longest time, probably at Microsoft.
Are you saying I'm old?
Maybe, a little bit.
Okay.
I want to know if you're offended that the sign says WinForms and not the proper name.
So I've told a lot of people that, because I've been around for a long time, that I was on the, as you know, I was on the Windows Forms team. And I say Windows Forms because it's been beat into me. Because Windows Forms, we had the name Windows Forms. WinForms was owned by somebody else. They had back in those days, they did have domain names.
That's right.
And somebody registered it, and they had a company called WinForms. So we could not use it. We couldn't have it in any of our marketing literature at all. And fast forward 30 years later, I guess everybody's forgot.
Everyone's fine with
I
it.
still work. When I last worked on it, it was a big deal. And so every time I see WinForms, I'm like, holy crap.
Yeah.
That's
I got that feedback during all of our dry runs from Joe like 10 times, and I think today I still said WinForms a few times.
Yeah. Every time I can, I like to needle them. But in all honesty, having worked on Windows Forms and everything, like this is a pretty big culture shift for Windows client frameworks to embrace this openness and being a part of the community and contributions, right? Is WinUI, the open source aspect of WinUI, does that go, how far in those decoupled layers does that go today?
The question, how far back does the...
how far, is the visual layer open source as well?
Oh, okay. Yeah, so not yet, but as part of WinUI 3.0, all of that open sourcing is on our roadmap.
Oh,
Today,
great.
just the controls are open source because only WinUI 2.1 is there so far. But yeah, as part of our decoupling, our eventual goal is to open source everything.
That's great.
As we get there.
Yeah, so everything that'll be in WinUI, that is, it'll take us time. The biggest thing, it takes a lot of time if you've taken things open source before. Our test infrastructure is all based on internal test infrastructure, and then getting everything building in the open, which you need to do to make it open source, and then making sure your code is all good enough to be shared with everybody in the open.
Right.
Those take a fair amount of time.
Right.
But we're committed to it.
So we talked about some of the controls as well. What are some of the highlights of, I think every time someone talks about UI frameworks and stuff, they're like, what new widgets did I get? How can I make my app cool? What did you enable for me in this release coming up?
Well, I was going to say, yeah, this was part of
this,
yeah, we kind of mixed and matched on our talk on what we covered. I think we covered two things. One is controls that are already shipping in WinUI 2.1 as of a couple weeks ago, as well as some controls that are currently being developed. So in terms of new controls that were just added, animated visual player is one of my favorites because it's how you get access to Lottie. But I think there's a lot of good improvements that are going on. What's your favorite?
Well, there are the oldie but goodies. We're just adding a tab control back, which is used in the new
terminal.
In the terminal,
Yep.
exactly. So yeah, I know it's about time we had a tab control, but we do have a tab control on the platform. We're doing, some of those standard LOB controls. We're doing input validation in the platform, which is kind of nice. We did a teaching tip, which doesn't seem like much, but sometimes you do these little unexpected things, and a lot of people use it. And basically, a teaching tip is first time you run an app, and it says, by the way, we've updated this, and we've updated this, and it'll do it once, and then it'll go away, or the developer can set it. But just that project has been just fun doing. It was one of the first things we tried open source. We got a ton of feedback. So it's just been kind of cool to go on that ride, taking that thing as one of our first open source.
I'm seeing a vision of combining teaching tip and animated visual player for a WinUI Clippy.
Oh,
absolutely.
And
I'm ready for it.
You could be a program manager on the UI. You could.
Step 3, profit.
Profit.
Yeah.
Which, does that have anything to do with your shirt there, Tim?
Hey, well, we're embracing open source in the client community, right?
Okay, I didn't.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. I didn't realize we could wear our ad shirt. So anyway.
Few kickbacks.
Yeah, it's great. Actually, it's a good lead-in question too. Let's talk about your relationship, the UWP platform. You mentioned React Native as well in those efforts. How are you addressing the mobile landscape with React Native and Xamarin? Both of these platforms kind of living on top of the native UWP layer.
Yeah. So the one way we think about they're both analogous, and Xamarin Forms are great solutions for the .NET developer who wants to target mobile and maybe target desktop as well, and to be able to share assets between mobile and desktop, or just between iOS and Android even. And React Native is an analogous version of that allows you, if you're a web developer, to be able to share assets between now your mobile applications, iOS and Android. So you can not really write once, but you can share assets easily between iOS, Android, and now we have a high-fidelity desktop implementation. And with React Native, you can also share assets via React with even your web properties as well. So we think of them as kind of two heads that address different types of developers, but solving the same kind of problem, which is efficiently building cross-platform apps, which is mobile and desktop. And based on your skill set, you might choose one versus the other.
Great. That's awesome. So we got about a minute and a half left. I see a couple questions come in, so let's see if we can tackle some of them.
All right.
Kevin's asking, will the WinUI 3 release be aligned with support for .NET Core 3? Do we know dates on those yet?
So they're not aligned. It's somewhat orthogonal. We can do .NET Core 3 requires us to do, actually the .NET Core team has to do some work to make .NET Core 3 work, but they can do that work independent with us having to update, if you will, WinUI per se. There is a commitment to do the work. We just don't have a time frame yet for getting .NET Core 3 support for, if you will, .NET Core 3 support for UWP. It's a little weird because WinUI works on Win32 and .NET Core 3 works in Win32 as well, if you will. So you could use WinUI via XAML Islands with a .NET Core 3 app. Yeah, everybody gets really confusing, but you could.
Yeah.
So it's .NET Core 3 for UWP, and that's the thing that is not yet targeted. And once we do that, you'll be able to do a .NET Standard 2.1 app in your UWP.
Awesome. So we're just about out of time. Thank you, Lindsay and Joe, for joining us, summarizing some of the highlights for WinUI. Look forward to engaging with the community and the WinUI roadmap.
Thanks for having us on.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks.
You won't want to miss our last segment of the day coming up, Open Source Passion with Hanselman.